TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's Friday. It's 10 a.m., 30 minutes into the trading day, and let's check in on the markets as all major indices dramatically in the red. Dow Jones leading the way down off 317 points or 1.3%, trading 24,291. S&P's off 22 points, or just more than 0.8%, trading 26.55, and the Nasdaq negative by 60 points, or more than 0.8%, trading at 71.20. As this market continues to slide for the fourth day in a row, let's check in on the VIX as it climbs as we speak. 26.17 on the VIX, far cry from where we were at the end of Monday trading at about 15 or 16. Let's check to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. And we're going to jump over there. There we go. Start things off with the Dow 30. So slightly off the lows we've made for the session, but currently trading 24,297. S&P 500, again, quite a slide we've had in the overnight session to the opening bell. Currently trading 26.56. NASDAQ 100 getting a little bit of a bump. We were as low as 66.47. From there, we're up about 43 points, 66.90. We'll see if that bounce lasts throughout this day. Crude oil trading lower, $60.55 on the crude contract. Looking at that April futures contract currently. Gold contract getting a bid as we've seen some dollar weakness this morning. Gold contract traded as high as about $13.26. Gold currently trading $13.23. And Bitcoin sliding a bit, reached about 11,200 last night, and again at about 11,100, about 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And from there, we're sliding a bit, 10,831 on Bitcoin. So you have some earnings out there this morning as well. JCPenney stock tumbling on a revenue miss for the holiday quarter. And we also have Foot Locker earnings as well. Foot Locker, the athletic footwear apparel retailer, adjusted quarterly profit of $126 a share, beating estimates by a penny. And let's check in on those two stocks as we kick this off. So Foot Locker down 12%. So Foot Locker saw comparable store sales fall 3.7%, and analysts had expected only 2.5%. And then JCPenney down 11% as well. Retailers hitting hard today. Stay tuned. I'll be back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. Swim lessons at 11. Basil Chapman at 12. Steve Rhodes, Dave White, and Tom O'Brien this afternoon. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how EverBank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? EverBank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? EverBank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. EverBank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. EverBank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.